I'm Dean DiNicola and I'm the owner and manager of Mundalay Orchard. We've been growing almonds since 2004. Serafen Agro and Fen have had an important role in the development of our family farms. And we've recently expanded our business with the launch of our own brand of almond milk. So we currently have 5 211P tractors on the farm. We use them in our daily operation, whether it's spraying, land levelling, sawing and for harvest. The things I love about our Fen tractors is the Vario transmission, the comfortable cab, the automated controls and the fact that they're a great fuel saver. There is a bigger investment with Fen tractors up front, but with great fuel savings and less wear and tear on machinery, we'll make up for this in time. Plus, they're the most comfortable tractor to drive and our staff love to drive them every day. We've been a customer of Serafen Agro since the beginning. We've been running our Fen tractors for the last 8 years and we'll never look back. The team at Serafen Agro deliver great backup and service. We recommend Serafen Agro and Fen as they have had a positive impact on our business.
Hi, I'm Tyrone Midgley, Product Manager for Track Tractors here in Australia for the Australian New Zealand market. And today we're going to be talking about some of the key features of the new 1100 Fendt Vario MT Track Tractor. This all-new series is the perfect combination of Challenger's 30 plus years in building track tractors and Fendt's 25 plus years in building stepless Vario transmissions. The combination of these expertise have given the operator unrivaled technology, comfort and reliability. The numbers on the hood stand for the series and horsepower rating, with the 11 representing the series and the 67 representing the 670 rated horsepower. In this series there are 4 models: the 1151, the 1156, the 1162 and the 1167. The smaller 3 all utilise the MAN D38 engine with 15.2 litres of displacement, where the largest model, the 1167, will be driven by the MAN D42 engine with 16.2 litres of displacement. Both engines will utilise the Fendt ID low revving engine concept, which allows the engine to idle at 800 RPM, have a working range between 1000 and 1780 RPM, and achieve 40 kilometers an hour at 1550 RPM. We are now utilising a hydraulically driven cooling fan in place of the old mechanical drive, creating a large improvement in fuel consumption. Also new in this model is the heat deflector plate, located directly behind the cooling fan and directly in front of the engine, which guides the hot air from the cooling pack out of the side of the bonnet. With over 25 years in producing the world-renowned Fendt Vario transmissions, we are now pleased to unveil this transmission in the entire 1100 Fendt Track Tractor series. This allows perfect speeds for any application, ranging from 20 metres an hour to 40 kilometres an hour, with horsepower options between 510 and 670 horsepower. The undercarriage, as you can see here, is largely unchanged since 2002, but has the following updates. Now utilising 15-inch larger diameter polyurethane midwheels, which allow for less rotations and less wear and tear to the belt carcass, standard clear view cap and shifted filling points for easier maintenance, industry exclusive polyethylene wear ring allowing poly to run cooler and minimise wear of the track guide blocks. Another improvement is the hard bar, with coil springs on both sides suspending the chassis and allowing increased movement and comfort. We also have the option for a completely new feature on this series of tractor called Smart Ride Plus. This is an automatic levelling system which levels my tractor while in operation. This makes it possible to always ensure the vehicle is level when ballast conditions change, allowing the tractor to maintain optimal tractive force and to ensure the quality of work is consistent. This is done by hydraulic cylinders located on top of the coil spring and can be raised, lowered or left on auto level mode. At the rear of the tractor we have 3 options available: a free swinging drawbar, a hydraulically controlled drawbar, or a hydraulically controlled 3-point hitch. The main reason to have a swinging drawbar on a track tractor is to reduce the amount of stress and strains of both the tractor and implement while turning. The natural turning point of a track machine is in the middle of the tractor, whereas the turning point of the implement is at the pin. When we allow the drawbar to swing, the turning point of the implement is now further forward under the rear axle. Now when turning, we have greatly reduced the distance between the turning point of the tractor and the turning point of the implement. This greatly reduces fuel burn, wear and tear on both the tractor and the implement, and also greatly increases the operator comfort. We are now able to have 4, 6 or 8 rear remotes with 440 litres of flow per minute. As standard, we will also have power beyond, a free flow return and case drains. Full LED work light packages will now become the standard, with forward and rear facing LED work lights. Deluxe cab suspension will now be standard fitment on all 1100 Fendt Vario MT tractors. Combining our cab suspension with deluxe suspended leather seats, suspended front hard bar and oscillating mid wheels makes it the most comfortable track tractor in the market. Balancing and ballasting is essential for any track tractor. Before field operation, we try to achieve weight distribution of 60% in the front and 40% in the rear. This will translate to near 50-50 during operation. The base weight of the 1100 Vario MT is 18,805 kilograms, and the maximum ballasted is 26,762 kilograms. For the correct ballast and balance, please use the ballast calculator. There are multiple ways of weighting these machines for correct ballast. The first is front weight. We have front weights in several configurations shown in these options: 20 front plates, 36 front plates, or the 2000 kg front monoblock. The second option we have for ballast is with idler weights. There are multiple options with this, the first being to have 4 idler weights stacked on the inside and outside of both idlers on both sides of the tractor for a total of 16 weights. The second is to have 7 weights stacked on each other on both idlers on the inner and outer for a total of 28 weights, and the third with 9 weights stacked on each other on both inner and outer idlers for a total of 36 idler weights. These machines are able to be fitted with undercarriage weights that would sit on the inner and outer sections of the track frames. There are multiple options of this, which consist of weight rails and deflectors only, 32 track frames with 16 weights on the outside of both sides of the machine, or 64 track weights, 16 on the inner and outer of each track frame on both sides of the tractor. The last option we have to ballast our machine is with driver wheel weights. With the new Fendt 1100 Vario MT range, we now have several possibilities to add weights to the driver wheels. These options consist of, first of all, 1 drive wheel weight on the inner and outer of both drive wheels, a stack of 1, 2 or 3 drive wheel weights on the inner side of both drive wheels, or last, a stack of 1, 2 or 3 drive wheel weights on the outer side of both drive wheels. This has been a short video highlighting some of the key features of the 1100 Vario MT track tractor. I look forward to seeing you all soon.
G'day, I'm Tom Draffin, Product Manager for the Fendt Rogator in Australia and New Zealand. And today we're in the Wimmera having a look at the new 900 series Fendt, which is the next step in the full line offering from Fendt for broadacre farmers in Australia. Today we're going to take a look at some of the features and benefits of the 900 series and show you how this Fendt Rogator is going to suit your farming system and make you a more profitable farmer. One of the best new features on the 900 series is the upgraded cab, which has commonality with the rest of the Fendt products. It's extremely comfortable for long hours of operation. We've got 10% more glass with it throughout the cab, clear visibility of the booms, really comfortable seat. Australian Rogators come standard with an auto adjust leather seat and a premium cab package. The 900 series comes with 2 tech stack options. The ProTech I package, which uses the Vario terminal as the main display for guidance and for machine control, or the ProTech Plus package, which includes a Raven tech stack, Raven control modules and Raven nozzles. The 900 series Rogator is a step forward for growers in comfort and field performance, using the Fendt tractor management system to improve fuel efficiency by automatically optimising pump displacement, final drives and engine speed to run at the most hydraulically efficient. It also has a smart all-wheel drive system with independent all-wheel traction control and power flow compensation during wheel slip, which is determined by speed sensors at each wheel sending more power to non-slipping wheels, reducing soil disturbance and crop damage during turns. Australian Rogators come standard with 80-inch tyres and drivetrain packages, with factory options for 380 row crop, 480 standards and 710 photo tyres. The Fendt Rogator 900 series is going to come with an 8.4 litre AGCO Power engine as standard, with differing horsepowers between the 934 and the 937 model. The Fendt Rogator comes with a single turbo, unlike the twin turbo on the C series, and has an optional reversing fan. There's been some great improvements to the reload station on the 900 series. The Rogator 900 now includes more electric valves over manual valves, removing the bypass valve or white valve, the freshwater valve or the blue valve, which are now electric valves accessible through the keypad, and the rinse, spray and adductor valve, which was the yellow valve you used to find in the box at the reload station. An optional extra for Fendt Rogator customers is a front reload station with a secondary keypad mounted next to the access steps. The Fendt Rogator 900 series comes with a stainless steel tank, up to 6,000 litres in capacity, with a top-mounted 530 litre flush tank. The standard offering on the Rogator is a 36.5 metre steel boom with OptiStop nozzles and 36 sections. All boom options can be configured with up to 7 Opti-Height sensors, ensuring better boom management across the length of the boom and more effective coverage on undulating paddocks. The Fendt Rogator 900 series is available through selected AGCO dealers across Australia. For more information, or to arrange a demonstration or a quote, jump online or contact your local Fendt dealer directly.